Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to schedule a meeting directly from a contact record in HubSpot. This is a great way to streamline communication and keep your appointments organized within your CRM. Start by going to the HubSpot homepage and logging into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready for quick access. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM tab. This is your central hub for managing contacts and tracking all interactions. From the CRM, click on the Contacts section. Here you can view and manage all your contact records efficiently. Next, locate the specific contact you want to schedule a meeting with. You can either search by name or scroll through your contact list. Selecting the right contact ensures your meeting is properly associated. Once you're on the contact record, click the Meetings option. This opens the interface to create a new calendar event. Fill in all the meeting details, including the date, time, and agenda. Make sure to include any relevant information so that your attendees are fully informed. After entering the details, save the meeting. HubSpot will automatically sync it with your CRM, keeping your schedule organized and accessible. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting from a contact record in HubSpot. This method saves time and ensures all your interactions are tracked and integrated seamlessly into your CRM.